Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkar. Andarki Shubhodaya. This is a judgment in a maintenance case by Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh, that too by Justice Madam Pratapa Venkata Jyotirmayi of AP High Court. Madam worked as AMM Adanki in Prakasham district in her first career, in her footsteps. Later, she became a district judge and worked in Prakasham district. Now she is our AP High Court judge. Madam held that in maintenance cases, family court cannot take or cannot accept the examination in chief or chief affidavit as the sole evidence for ordering maintenance under section 125 crpc. Of course, the case details are not there because family X-Y annaru. Actually, this judgment was also given on 24th March 2026, in which Honorable High Court held that family courts cannot accept the affidavit or chief examination affidavit in maintenance proceedings, particularly under section 125 crpc. It requires the presence of the person under section 126 clause 2 crpc from whom the maintenance is being sought, maintenance is being requested. So this relates to FLOP, FCOP, Family Court OP, FCOP 199 by 2019 of Thirupathi Family Court, where our Ram Gopal Varma sir is working. Right. Here, the woman is a software employee, wife. This man is also equally placed, but he lost his job and presently he doesn't have enough sources to maintain his wife. Of course, she filed a case under 125 crpc. He has to pay the compensation. Basing on his monthly salary statement, or basing on his chief examination evidence, basing on her evidence or chief examination affidavit, the family court decided that he has to pay 30,000 to the wife and 20,000 to the child every month. Of course, this has become a burdensome to him, so therefore he has approached the High Court. So the petitioner's advocate, Mr. Tandava Yogesh, is a powerful man from Prakasham district. He says, the Honorable Court, Family Court, without going to the facts, without considering wife as a software engineer, and without considering the fact that the petitioner lost his job and he is so much indebted, when he is not able to maintain himself, how can he pay the maintenance of 30,000 plus 20,000 per month? Almost 50,000 a month. Not possible. So therefore, here. So the main legal point here is the court should not have taken the chief affidavit as evidence. అందుకనే సరదాగా క్లాసులు కూడా చెప్తుంటాను. Is affidavit evidence or not? Sudden reply is yes. Please remember, unless it is taken as evidence, it is not evidence. No doubt, it allows by filing the chief affidavit, what happens? It is equal to chief examination, but cross-examination will be there. Basing on the affidavit, you cannot come to a conclusion unless you examine the parties. Second legal point here is the person against whom you are going to order for maintenance, he was not present. According to section 126 clause 2, he should have been present. In his absence, the Honorable Family Court ordered the maintenance, which is not correct. So the procedure, please remember, under Order 18, Rule 4 may be adopted. Recording of evidence in absence is not permissible. But state says yes, it can be done. Because these proceedings, 125 CRPC, so actually I say it's a substantive law, but the procedure is quasi-judicial procedure, quasi-civil in nature, and they are not penal proceedings. Of course, You can send him to jail. Normally, the purpose is collecting the maintenance, ordering for the maintenance. So, trial court, another point, did not ensure the actual aspect of our landmark judgment, Rajneesh versus Neha. You may be knowing Rajneesh versus Neha 2021, where you have to వాళ్ళ ఎఫిడవిట్ ఏమని వాళ్ళ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అంతా చూసుకున్న తర్వాతనే యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆర్డర్ ఫర్ మెయింటెనెన్స్. సో హియర్ ది ఇంపార్టెంట్ సెక్షన్ ఈజ్ సెక్షన్ 126. ఆల్ ఎవిడెన్స్ ఇన్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ ప్రొసీడింగ్స్ shall be taken in the presence of the person against whom the order of maintenance is proposed to be made. So, no affidavit. And remember, section 277 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita says, procedure for recording evidence is in summons cases, yes, issue is no longer res integra. So, Honorable AP High Court relied on very famous case, Veeriset Ramesh Babu versus Veeriset Ramadevi and others, 2019. Evidence to be taken in the presence of the respondent. Since it is not done, yes, squash. So, the matter is remanded back to Thirupathi Family Court to address the issue afresh by calling the concerned party. So, the legal point you have to understand is the evidence, chief affidavit, should not be taken as evidence. Second point is the maintenance, while granting the maintenance, the person from whom the maintenance order should be present. లేకపోతే ఏంటి ఇంకో వీడియోలో చెప్తాను. So, I am stopping here. Thank you very much.